went to the Ottawa Home Show, and that's where we met
Brian.
It was Brian.
Brian, yeah.
And he was very responsive to our needs as far as what our ideas were and what we wanted to do. And so we actually went with OGC because of that.
Yeah, we stopped at every booth. And yeah, we kind of came with our list of here's our timeline, here's what we're looking to do, here's what we want. We don't want to be trying to figure things out. We just want to...
We want somebody to walk in and give us the ideas.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, and when it's over, we want to have somebody to stand behind the warranty to come that we can call 10 months down the road. And he really presented a seamless finish to what OGC did, right from the budgeting to the materials, and was really clear you can work as closely or as you could have your materials. There's lots of wiggle room there, but it was really a personalized plan, and I think that's what appealed to us.
My name is Brad, and this is Braylaw 78. It's been an absolute pleasure to manage this project, as you can see over here. One thing I want to note about Ottawa General Contractors, which I feel stands out from the competition, is our objective is not just to run a project. Our main goal is to create relationships with our clients. These are people that you're going to be dealing with for a long, long time, and to create a relationship with them and really push the project with their focus and their mindset in place is very important. Luckily, we had wonderful clients here today, Shannon and Chris, and for that reason, it also helps bringing the project to life, having such wonderful clients like that. We had a superb support team. Everyone from our general manager to our construction manager to our materials team and design team, along with our service management, has absolutely been a crucial role in facilitating the overall positive outcome of a project like this. So for that reason, it's been an absolute pleasure and honor to work with Ottawa General Contractors, really caring about clients and the relationships we build, not just the project we complete.